see the baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go see. Come on. Let's go through the gate. Go see your brother. Is that your dog? Over here. Carly, who's this? Bob? Yeah, look who's this. Come here. Did you miss all your toys? What's this? Is this your baby brother? Baby, that's right. Baby, that's your baby brother. Louie. Elma. Ernie. Grover. You missed all your toys. Baby. Your ball. Baby doesn't want the ball though. Ball. Baby, gentle. Baby. Louie. You want to see your brother? Baby? Yeah, baby. Come here. Let's see, baby. Jackson. Say hi. Do you say hi to Jackson? You miss Louie? Yeah. Louie says hi. Louie says hi, Jackson.